Hello all. Okay, welcome back to Python Challenge for All. Okay, let's see. Today, what we're gonna do, we are going to draw again the dragon curve, which last time we used recursion to draw dragon curve. This time we will draw L system to see how it works. Okay, let's go. So it's just like the Levy curve, and we need to reverse the turning direction in the middle of the Levy curve. But it's simple. Just follow the rule. Init is fx, and here rule is x and y. Here, x and y are used as non-drawing symbols, only for control to remember to memorize the state. Okay, let's go. Today we are going to, let's see, it's 132. Okay, so we will use simple tree L tree and um, save as EL132 dragon curve else's. Okay, so we will use this part is fine, maybe, I'm not sure. The L system, the interpretation part is the same. Okay, there's nothing. As for drawing, rendering part, we use F plus and minus. We don't use brackets anymore this time, so just let's remove it. Okay, so only F plus and minus. And actually, we will ignore X and Y. So as I said, the starting is Fx. And there are two rules. X goes to, yes, this one. So just follow me. Just write X plus Y, F plus. Okay, this is for X. Okay, and for Y, colon, um, the same, the reverse. Okay, minus Fx minus Y. This is all. Interesting. Okay, this is like a magic. And this is all. Okay, so, okay, we don't need count anymore. So here we write D. So the else's will interpret this set of rules and init state with D level. So D will start from 1 and see how it looks like. Okay? So as for D, and actually the size is a bit tricky. Uh, we can try various ways, but we will just do um, from the like 300, okay, and 1.5. Let's start with this, okay, and the angle is, say, plus or minus 90 degrees. Let's try 90 degrees first and see how it looks like, to see if you like it. So the starting is this. Let's move this down to here. Okay, we don't need stack date, so we will just move these downward to print. Okay, let's start here. So rules are this, and go up, go to 0. Let's start from the center, 0, 0. and set heading 0 down with a 0 and say speed 9. Okay, we don't need widths here. Let's first see how it looks like without tracing the move. We need to remove, of course, stack here. Okay, and we don't need coloring here, so we just remove everything about. So we will have just draw forward S. Okay. Okay, let's run it. Okay, so this is okay. Maybe if you want, you can have negative 90, but it's okay. D2. Good. A little long, so maybe 200. 3. Level 3. Okay, now it seems familiar to us. 4. Or we can. Okay, good. So maybe we will have tracer off and 5. Now it looks familiar. 6. It looks like dragon. Let's change it to 8. This is dragon, what we want. Okay. Maybe a little larger one will do. And 10 to see that really is a dragon shape. Okay, this is what we want, dragon. So what's next? Repeat and fill the plane. Let's check again to see that it really fills the plane. So in this case, align the center and rotate drawing by 90 degrees and repeat it 4 times. Let's do it. Okay, so here we will try. Else is called only once. By the way, when D is 0, D is 10, there are 40,494 symbols. Okay, so we will draw 4 dragon curves for in range 4, colon, and then and draw 4 times. Okay. Yeah. And before drawing, we will have the center point. Yeah. We will, we might want to start each time from center. So before this, T go to CPOS. Okay, let's define CPOS as 0, 0. Okay, and go to CPOS. And each time left by 90 degrees and T down. Okay. Before going to CPOS, we need to pen up. Okay. So each time, yeah, we will start from center. So it will be like this. Okay. T up, T go to CPOS, left 90. We can change this after drawing. That's fine. Okay. T up and drawing and 4 times. Let's take a look. Great. This is familiar to us. Yes. Or we can move to say color variation. Let's see how the color variation changes. Each time we want to change to 4 times or 8, yeah, 1/8 of everything. So we can use um, color index starting from 0 and each time increment by 1 and then change color. As I said, HSV. Oh, I need HSV thing. So here, as usual, from color sys, import HSV to RGB. Okay, and then we use color sys HSV to RGB and say color index divide by 8 or 4. Let's see, by 4 and 1 and 1. And let's see how it looks like by changing color change each time we have like this. Great. Okay. And lastly, so now we see for one, how many there are? Okay, only 4. 4 dragon curves are filling the place. This is great. Furthermore, we can do another one. Gradually shifting hue makes the recursive structure clearer. Okay, this is now we have very good. Or even more, after drawing 4 of them, we can further draw next 4, starting from the end point. This can be done by, say, the starting point can be, say, minus 100. And drawing the first one, say, minus 100. And then 4 times. And doing the same thing. And here, CPOS should be current pos. Okay, let's see how it looks like. And instead of 4, we will change it to 8. The color by 1/8 of the whole color. Okay. Ah, I see. Okay. We need to move this before drawing the same here. By this, we will have start from the last point. Set heading to, say, 90 degrees so that it lies side by side. Okay, now we have 4 plus 4 dragon curves filling the twice the area starting from the first starting position. And next starting position is here, which is the end point of the first 4 drawings. Of course, you can change D further to say 12 to see that really fills the space beautifully. I hope you like this and change many parameters and try yourself. Okay, we will further enjoy L system next time. Be sure to come back. Bye bye.